Hello, good morning everybody. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Latifah. Now I want to present my PowerPoint about utilization of technology in clothing lines. Introduce. Many people cannot wait for clothes to be dried in the sun because they are busy or because they have to travel to other places. This business resulted in the clothes that were dried in the sun after not being lighted until the evening. Even the next day, as a result, the clothes that are not lighted until the evening makes the clothes become moist again. Rain that sometimes affects suddenly and also harm people who have to leave their coastlines because they have to go somewhere. With that, I took this paper smart dressing beside of website with IOT's utilization, which is a system design made to make it easier for people to dry clothes to that clothes that are dried don't need to be waited on because they use the web and there are sensors that can detect rain. Then the clothes will enter into a rapid from this system uses like sensor and water sensor. Formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem is 1. What is the mean by yacht? 2. What is the function? The website is a smart clothesline living system. 3. What is mean by smart clothesline? 4. How do you smart clotheslines work? 5. What technology do you use? Be recent objectives. The feature of the paper is smart coastline that can protect of coastlines when it rains by opening and closing the roof of the coastline so that the coastline can be protected or drying again using a controlled surface. C. Function of the smart coastline. Smart coastline will function if the sensor detects the condition around the coastline whether the coastline is removed and inserted. This tool makes it easier for users to monitor the condition of the coastline remotely and can enter coastline automatically when the sensor rains dark light or cold the temperature, then can remote causes when the sensor reads bright light hot the temperature and not raining. The benefits of research. One to help humans times of household clothes, especially drying clothes. 2. Can save time and energy in the process of drying clothes. 3. To prevent worrying about getting rained up if the clothesline is left behind. I purpose The purpose of the analytical descriptive research is to make a systematic, factual, and accurate description of the page characteristic and relationship between the phenomena being investigated, descriptive, qualitative, research methods, and focused on problem based on facts which are carried out by means or observation. And studying documents, this method was questioned as one of the methods operating in order to obtain and or verify in the field. Results. What is the function of the website as a smart delivery system? The website functions to view the status of clothesline and will has to give orders to that clothesline can go out or order according to the order given through the website page. The component used in the clothesline controller and the ISP 8266 module, LDR sensor, rain sensor, and servo. What does smart desk mean? Smart clothesline in a drying device that has been modified with the addition of technology in the form of sensors that aim to protect the clothesline when in the rain without worrying that clothes being dried will get result. How does smart lights work? The system that will be made is a website-based clothesline lifting system with utilization of iOS. This system uses an LDR sensor and a rain sensor, where the function of the LDR sensor is to detect the brightness level of the weather, while the rain sensor function to detect whether it is raining or not. The system is also equipped with a website the function to monitor and control the clothesline so that it can take action according to the take orders model on the website. The working process of the clothesline lifter begins with the clothes drying outside the room. Then the LDR sensor detects cloudy or dark weather. The clothesline will automatically enter the room as well as if the rain sensor is exposed to water, which means it is raining. The clothesline we also enter. And next, constellation. According to the analysis I read and the equation of smart clothesline, it can be concluded that smart clothesline can have people dry clothes so that people don't need to be afraid to leave clothesline, because in smart clothesline there is a rain sensor that will detect rain or not, and this smart clothesline uses a web where this website function is a command so that the complex clothesline stay is or out with orders model on the website. Well, this is my presentation. I say thanks and see you.